All right, in this video I want to show people how to add media to a post in Canvas. So whether you're posting a page or whether you're responding to a discussion forum, or this should even work for assignments, Canvas gives you a lot of different ways to post different media. It gives you ways to post document files, which we'll look at in this video. We'll look at how to post images, so JPG, PNG files, and then we'll look at how to post and embed videos. First, I'm going to open up a reply area. This is in a discussion forum. And if you look here on this upper bar, there's an area right here for posting documents, an area here for posting videos, and an area here for posting images. And we'll go through those in that order. So first, let's go over how to post documents. So I'm going to left click on this. This is in professor mode rather than student mode. If you're a student, you'll see two options: upload document, or depending on if you've posted any documents at all, you'll see user documents. But most likely you'll see this one. Since this video isn't really geared towards professors, I'm not going to cover course documents, but I could do a separate video on that. If you're interested, just let me know in the comments. So first, if we want to upload a document, it's pretty straightforward. We'll go to upload document, and it's going to ask us to upload a file. So if I click on this, it will open my file folder automatically, or I can just drag and drop. So let me go into a document that I want to upload, and I can just drag it and drop it there. So I don't think you can drag and drop multiple files in here. Let me just check that while I have this open. I don't believe you can. No, okay, you can't. It's not going to give me that option. But what I can do once I submit this document is I'll wait a few seconds. It's going to show up as a link. If I just press enter, I can redo this and potentially attach as many documents as I want. You just have to be careful that you put either some spaces in between your documents, or a line or something like that, a line break. And here's a key. Once you have posted at least one document to something, whether it's a discussion forum or a page, you should see not only upload documents, but now this becomes an option. User documents simply means that Canvas keeps track of everything you've posted, so that if you ever want to post it again, you can. So let's say that you have made reference to a particular article in several different discussion forums. Rather than just keep searching for the article so you can repost it every time, now you can go into user documents, and it keeps track of every document you've posted. So if I have an article that I post for a lot of people, I can actually now just look at all of my user documents and repost. But again, let's go back to this upload documents, and I just want to show you, you can fairly easily upload a second document. Again, we'll just follow the drag and drop method. Once that's there, we can go into submit, and as you can clearly see, it now posts a second document. As far as I know, there is no limit to the amount of documents you can post, but just remember that the user document icon is there once you've posted things to Canvas. So if you want to repost anything, probably easier to look in your user documents than your course or than your upload, because Canvas just keeps track of everything you've posted. So that is how to post documents. Now let's go to videos. All right, videos gives you a few different options here. And I also want to show people how to embed videos, although Canvas makes it pretty easy to do that just by uploading media. So there's a few options here. If you just want to record something, Canvas makes it so easy to do it. I can go into record. Now, it's not going to let me record now because I obviously am recording already. So I'm not going to be able to record anything. But if I ever did want to record, it's just a matter of start recording. Once it's over, I can stop recording and then press save, and it'll take maybe a minute to finalize. But you can actually just embed the document right there. But let's say that you have a file that you want to upload. You can go here. I'm just going to go into a short file that I know I have that wouldn't take too much time to upload. I think this one shouldn't take much time to upload. Okay, so let's see if it uploads. Probably take a minute or so to upload. And this is going to lead me to my next trick. I want to show you how to embed videos rather than uploading them to Canvas, because as you can see, this video is taking a while to upload. But once this video uploads, let's suppose we wait for a little bit, it succeeds in uploading. Once you press post reply or comment or whatever, it will actually embed the video. So it won't show up as like a link that you have to click through. The video will literally show up in that page. But let's actually undo this video. I'm actually going to do it by just exiting out of it, because there is an easier way. If you have a larger video that you want to upload, Canvas may not be able to handle it. So here's a tricky way to do it. It takes a few steps, but you can do it. If you upload or if you record a video with whatever software you would like that's outside of Canvas, it could be your cell phone, it could be a recorder you have on your laptop. Upload that to either YouTube or whatever cloud storage folder that you have, okay? So you can do that. I actually have a video here on standby, and I would like to take this video that's already been uploaded to YouTube, which has way better upload speeds, and go into share. So go into share here, and there's several different options. If you want to do the easy thing, you can just take this link, this link, the YouTube link, and copy it and paste it. And what that will mean is that if you go back to Canvas and you copy it and paste it, people will have this YouTube link to go to. Of course, if you really want it to be a hyperlink, it doesn't do that. Oh, it does actually do that automatically. It turns it into a hyperlink. So people can click through and it will bring up the YouTube page. If you want the video to play directly into the Canvas viewer, there's actually another step that you can perform. It's a little bit more lengthy, but it's easy once you get the hang of it. Go to this area that says Embed, and if you go to Google Drive or any other cloud storage service, you will have an Embed option. All right, so take this here code that starts with iframe, go back to Canvas, and Canvas makes this a little bit tricky, but they have this icon right here. So it says switch to HTML editor. That's the code that the computer reads to turn things into text. See, that looks kind of funky. So let's copy that iframe code in here and watch what happens when we switch back to rich text editor. Bang, you got your video right in there, which means people don't have to click through it. So like I said, nothing wrong with just cutting and pasting the YouTube URL code. But if you really want to be savvy about it and be able to play the video directly from the Canvas post, you can just embed it that way. So just to review, we have two different options for video. You can, of course, record video. You can upload video to Canvas. That usually only works with smaller files. Or you can upload to a cloud service. YouTube is probably the best one, but any cloud service that you or your university uses, you can get that embed code or just get the HTML code with your share settings set to public and then share it like that. Last but not least, let us go into media. Okay, for sharing pictures, again, you have a few different options. It looks a lot like documents. So you have your upload image, which is what we saw before. But here you have a few different options. You can obviously upload an image from your computer and it will just embed that image. Let me go and grab a quick image here. I'm just going to put this image here. Obviously you wait until it shows up here. And if you want to submit, you go to submit. Now it shows up super large, but actually Canvas makes it really easy to resize this. You can actually just click on the image. You see how that corner square comes up? You can just crop the image to your liking. And it actually shows you in that black box that kind of comes along with my dragging what the size is that you're resizing it to. If you really want to manually be creative about it and you have the know-how and wherewithal, you can actually just adjust your length and width here, or you can adjust your size that way. You can make it a small image like so. So again, that's one way you can do an image. Another thing, if you go into upload image, you can go into Unsplash. I think this is sort of like Google Images. It works sort of the same thing. So if I type in student sitting in a desk. I can find an image like that. I can, let's say I'll pick this one, and I can put it there. And again, it does the same thing. It shows up super huge. All I have to do is click on it, and I can either drag and drop here, or I can go into image options right here, and I can set the image custom. Or if I just really want to just do a quick edit, I can click small, done, and you see that image also shows up small. Let's say that I want to put this image in a different place. I can literally press enter as if it were text, right? And it follows me. So I can do that. The third option under upload image, I will confess I have not really been able to figure out what this does. I've tried to paste Google image URLs in here. It doesn't seem to work. It doesn't seem to show up. If anyone knows what this URL upload is, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I'm sure other people would love to hear it. Of course, I want to remind you there's another option for images, and it's kind of a similar one to what you saw with documents. Once you've uploaded an image, and it has to be an upload, it can't, to my knowledge, it can't be through that that service that we just used. What is it called? Unsplash. If you've uploaded images and you want to upload the image to another post, the best thing to do instead of re-uploading the image is go to user images, and it automatically tracks all of the images that you have uploaded. Easier to search that way, I find. So again, that's how you upload images, videos, and documents.